This research is a geochemical investigation of these nautiloid deathbeds up by Peosa, Iowa, in this little railroad town called Graff. There are these deposits of nautiloids fossils that are too close in proximity to each other, and basically that's not very characteristic of what nautiloid deposits should look like, so we're going over there and conducting a geochemical investigation onto why they are there.
And usually we don't see large accumulations of these types of fossils in the fossil record. But in this particular site that we're studying for the CSRI, we see these thick beds, these thick layers of thousands that are buried right on top of one another. And so we want to investigate what could be the cause. There's been a couple of causes that have been put out there in the literature that have been hypothesized. And we want to use chemistry, the chemistry of the rocks, to understand what could be the cause, what could be the trigger behind these mass deathbeds of these nautiloids.
So in terms of my research, I'm hoping to find out, obviously why these nautiloids were deposited in such a manner, but in terms of my own development, I'm gaining skills with the XRF gun. I'm getting better sedimentology skills, I'm getting better at using certain types of software that makes these track columns, and I've learned 3 different types of software doing this research, and that's all things that are very useful for me since I'm going to be a geologist later in the future.
Eventually, this is going to be his senior capstone, so he will be writing this up as a formal paper as the culmination of his work here at Cornell. We're hoping maybe eventually to be able to present at conferences, and depending on how this goes, be able to do further work and to share these results with the broader community.